We are pleased to show you the 2018 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, front floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.